What's good, YouTube? It's your boy PatElite back with some heat. You heard? You feel me? You feel me? If you feel me, like the video. If you got drip, like the video once again. But no intro, bro. Straight to the point. We getting straight to it, bro. First thing first. This is the NBA 2K21 demo. Yes, it is the NBA 2K1. I said 2K1. NBA 2K21 demo. Yes, we clear as that. I know it looks the same, but yes, it's the 2K21 demo. These are for point guards next year, which is NBA 2K21. Basically this year. This is current gen, y'all. I'm getting straight to the point on what I made and what people are gonna make, like, relevant to last year. Like, basically a replacement from last year. Like the main point guard builds, like the main speed boosting builds. The one that began jiggy, that moves a lot, bro. Like the old threats from last year. Let's get straight to the point. We're gonna make this fast as possible, I promise. First thing first, you want to do shooting and playmaking. No, you do not want to choose shooting and playmaking if you really want to dribble, and still be able to shoot, bro. So playmaking and shooting. Do not let the new pie charts confuse you. Do not let it play you, bro. Trust me. First thing first, speed max. I'm telling y'all right now, first thing first, all you want to do, you want to put the 3-point, you feel me? 3-point max, free throw max, everything max. With the post fade, you want to put it 69 for this simple reason. If you put it one more higher, you don't gain a badge. You put it one less lower, you lose a badge. You might as well keep it at 69. Go back at finishing. This is off the wake, y'all. I literally woke up an hour ago making this video, bro. Driving, yes, I brushed my teeth, so don't ever play me in the comments. Once again, if you ain't like the video already, like the video if you got drip, bro. This is early as hell. I ain't gonna lie, this is early. Driving dunk max, driving layup max. You do not want to touch your standing dunk. You do not want to touch your post hook. You do not want to touch any of that. The only thing you're touching is close shot. Y'all know close shots was OP last year. Whether it's OP or not, put it 74, bro. What do you need a top? What do you really need a close shot for? You get what I'm saying? As of right now, that's what I think. Like, being relevant from last year, like relating to last year, you know what I'm saying? Playmaking, ball control, put it max. Pass accuracy, just put it max, then drop it down to 82. Once again, if you put it one higher, you get 80. You get an 83 pass accuracy. You get no badge. You put it one less lower, you lose a badge and you're one less of pass accuracy. So you put it back up 82. Boom, you got that. Next, you feel me? Perimeter defense max, lateral quickness max, steal max. Yes, your block max. You put your rebounding max, because everything else before that, do not touch your defense last if you're watching this video, because if you just put your defensive rebound max, it's going to max out to 7. Once again, you drop it one less lower, what's going to happen? Your defensive badge is going to drop. You put it one higher, it's not going to go up, and you can't even go one higher. So you just leave it at 63 rebound. Trust me, interior defense, feel like you don't need it, but I'm letting y'all know right now, I feel like finishing is going to be OP this year. Overpowered. I feel it personally. I had no problem with that. Slashers are hard to stop. You can't stop a pure slasher. But it's going to be the pure old heads with the finishing. They still can't beat you because they're a bot, bro. Trust me. They're not going to be able to beat you. Slight, compact, solid, whatever. I say compact, but I'm just going to pick solid just because. If you make him 6'5", he's not going to be really able to speed boost. I do not know if you get over 95 overall. If you get like a 96 overall, you know how last year you get a 96 overall, you get a +1 on every attribute. I do not know if it's gonna be like that. But if you make him 6'5" in the beginning, I'm telling y'all right now, with the lowest wingspan, if I'm talking too fast, I'm sorry. With the lowest wingspan, you are not gonna be able to speed boost at first. You need an 86 ball control. You wanna start with a 6'3", so you can still be able to move fast. You know what I'm saying? And they have 6'8" point guards. I'm not really watching those. I ain't worried about no 6'8" point guard, bro. We're gonna put 6'3", the lowest weight. I put 173 just cause so I can have more strength, and I'm still fast as hell. You know, I'm still fast. 173, 170 does not matter. Wingspan all the way, bro, all the way to the left side, bro. You see your ball controls at 81, your 3-pointer go up, your dunk goes down. Bro, it don't matter about those. I'm telling you. You want to be able to shoot and dribble. This is the concept of this build. You do not want a little of everything, bro. It does not work like that. You want to hit continue. Next thing you want to do is hit sharp. I pick sharp every time. Playmaking, I don't know. But it says playmaking. Oh, it says something different, I think. I don't know if it's different. I don't know, bro. This is 2K. This is 2K 2K20.7, bro. Anyways, you want to put sharp. You can put shot creator no matter. I choose sharp. As you can see right now, playmaker shot creator. Shades of, which is related to Steph Curry, Damian Lillard, and Trae Young. I'm telling you, this is going to be the build. This is the offensive threat from last year, aka school threat. If you know, you know. You know what I'm saying? This is going to be the build. I'm about to cut it right here, and I'm going to show y'all the badges. You know what I'm saying? Because I made like 2 players. I don't know. But I'm about to cut it right here. I'm going to be right back literally in 0.5 like right now. As you can see right now, first thing first, you want to go 99 overall, obviously. You see the max attributes as far as physicals. You know what I'm saying? Finishing. You want to put finishing. I'm telling you right now, finishing will be overpowered. Me personally, I am choosing slithery finisher over every other badge. I promise you. That's how I feel. Or contact finisher, or even acrobat. Slithery finisher, I feel like you get more loose from your defenders and you're still able to score and try to drive in the paint for a bailout or whatever, right? Shooting, this is the main concept. The main concept, shooting. You save 4 Hall of Fame badges or whatever you used to put quick draw on last year. You save those badges, 4 of them, and you get 3 more. First thing first, Rain Extender max, Deadeye max, Green Machine max, Difficult Shots max, Volume Shooter max. With the last 4, I'm putting Clutch Shoot Hall of Fame. But wait, I'm explaining right now. If you put Hot Zone Hunter, I just drop, bro. Tell me what hot zones are you gonna have in the beginning of the game, of the beginning of the year? Which just so you're telling me the 2K20 hot zones are gonna spawn from last year? It's not gonna spawn, bro. It's not gonna be there. It's pointless. If you want to get hot zones, all I know with clutch shooter after 12 points, your clutch shooter activates and you're basically immortal. You can make every shot in the game. You can go just like this, or you can put clutch shooter silver and tireless shooter silver if you feel like that. Cause I'll guarantee in the beginning of the game you're gonna be tired as hell. No one's gonna have no Gatorade. It's gonna be all over the place. Next, this is current gen though. You feel me? I'm just telling y'all though. Playmaking. Handles for days, Hall of Fame. Quick first step, Hall of Fame. Playmaking, this is my preference. You can make any preference. Shooting, I'm telling you, that's the facts that everyone's gonna use. Guaranteed, I promise you. They put Hot Zone Hunter to you, bro. If they put Hot Zone Hunter, they're a bot, bro. Unpluckable, max. Floor general, max. Make your teammates better. Your teammate needs Dimer, he's a bot too. Do not play with him, it's not worth it. If he needs Dimer, I don't know. It might be different. I don't know. Shout out to TYCENO. Bailout is the best playmaking badge in this game. Thanks to TYCENO, he really put this badge on the map, and it's a fact. You know what I'm saying? He really put it on the map. You can just go like this, or you could just put this Hall of Fame, put this silver, and put that Hall of Fame. Same thing, it don't matter. Next, defensive. This is another preference. I will go gold clamps, gold intimidator. I don't know what happened. Pick dodger bronze. However, if that doesn't work, me personally, I'm gonna go silver intimidator and pick dodger silver. If you want to, you can go to intimidator. If you feel like it barely works, intimidator bronze, pick dodger gold. If you feel like you don't want pick dodger, put chase down, rim, pick, or just keep, or I said keep pick dodger. And put intimidator here. It's mad. There's different options. This is what I'm going with though. This is my, you know what I'm saying? This is my build. You know what I'm saying? Jump shot. Always go with Curry. I feel like this Curry just got the legendary jump shot. Or Damian Lillard. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what comps you're gonna be getting next year. You know what I'm saying? I just coughed. That was my first cough the whole video. And no, I do not have the railroad, so don't overplay with me. Let me know in the comments what next gen console you getting. PS5. Or are you getting the fridge Xbox X? You know what I'm saying? PS5. I'm a PS5 all the way, you know what I'm saying? This is gonna be the main build of next year, bro. You heard it here first. If you haven't already, you already know. If you got a drip, like the video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe if you're new. Turn on post notifications too. Stutter pad in the building. Once again, I just woke up like an hour ago just recording this, bro. And I already found the best build. I'm jacking it. I got it, bro. But make sure you like, share, subscribe if you're new. Turn on post notifications too. Stay safe. And I'm out, bro.